Exercise number 8, second half, 700 commission book. This dictation recorded by Akshar Ali, stenographer, ready. He found, comma, as he has since found in further cases, comma, that the goods delivered look in every way like those which we ourselves manufacture and that they carry our special trademark, full stop. It appears that a young man, comma, stating that he is one of our representatives, comma, calls upon a customer, comma, offers very quick delivery and special low prices in return for payment on delivery of goods, full stop. In the four cases we have looked into within the last day or two, this has been the method followed, comma, and you will probably report the same method in your own case, full stop. Moreover, comma, the list of special prices shown to customer was written on what appeared to be our letter paper, full stop. Our customer saw nothing strange in the offer, as you will remember that we made a special offer of this kind about this time last year, full stop. New para. Perhaps you will be good enough to write to us, comma, informing us of the date on which you were offered the goods, comma, the date on which delivery was made, comma, the price paid for the goods, comma, and if offered the goods, comma, the date on which possible. At the same time, give us a few details regarding the young man who called, full stop. The matter has, comma, of course, comma, been placed in official hands, full stop. We are today sending out a letter to all the customers on our books, calling their attention to this matter and asking them to report to the authorities if they have goods on order for delivery within the next few days, full stop. We do not expect to get results in this way, comma, however, comma, as the manufacturer of the goods would depend upon quick action for the success of his plan, and he will no doubt by now be interesting himself in a quite a different line of goods, full stop. We do not wish you to exercise any personal loss, and we will supply you with the goods to take the place of those in question, full stop. No doubt you will in your turn supply your customers with the new goods in place of the poor quality goods bought from you, full stop. We know that you will understand our very difficult position, and we trust that you will not let the matter influence you in any way against this company, full stop. Yours truly, comma.